Hi, and welcome everyone to this month's STEAM Maker Showcase, Activity Showcase for January. I am here, I'm Mr. Andy from the Traverse Area District Library. I'm here with Mr. Tom from the Great Lakes Children's Museum, and we have the
Hello.
Divkovich family, Nico, Maya, and Joseph joining us from outer space. Welcome, guys.
Hi.
Nice.
Hi. Hi.
All right, I'm going to share my screen for a moment here so you can kind of see what we're all about. So, as I said, STEAM Maker Alliance Monthly Showcase. It is actually Monday, February 1st, but we had planned this for Saturday. There we go. So if you haven't heard of the STEAM Maker Alliance, who we are organizations making STEAM available for families throughout our region. Includes organizations like the Children's Museum and Tattle, and also Girl Scouts, Inland Seas, Newton's Road, Cork Mind, and many, many others. So this month's activity is courtesy of the Children's Museum, and it was titled Day and Night. The description was experiment with a ball and flashlight, find out how day and night happen, find out why you can't see stars during the day, explore the colors of sunlight. There's a link there if you want to find out more about those activities. But we are going to talk with our family here, the Zivkoviches, and they are going to tell us about what they learned this month. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen and get back here. Mr. Tom, is there anything you want to ask them, ask Maya or Nico at this point?
I don't have any specific questions for you guys. I'm just kind of curious how it went for you. And yeah, if there's anything that really cool that you learned or any activities that you liked, especially when you were doing the program.
Well, it was a fun program. I liked the, I think my favorite part was the saying about the My Very Enormous Monster.
This one is the one with the flashlight.
Oh, okay. Sorry, wrong program. We did the planet program too.
Yep. You guys learned how the Earth rotates around the sun.
Mm-hmm.
How did you figure that?
And we we used a flashlight on a ball, the globe, and then it rotated the globe. You would rotate the globe and see day and night.
Oh, okay. What did the flashlight represent? What did the flashlight represent? Do you remember, Nico?
The sun.
Okay, cool. Heard you guys also made some rainbows. How did you do that?
We used a disc and then the flashlight and shone the flashlight on the disc, and it made a rainbow.
Nice. Where did you see the rainbow, like on the disc, or was it reflected?
Yeah, it was on the disc. Yeah.
Neat. Wow. I wanted to show you guys, since you were participants this month, Seeds, who does an after-school program in our community, donated these really cool activity boxes. We're calling them STEAM prize packs. And they loaded them full of fun stuff. You got a notebook here for if you want to write plays. You got lettuce seeds.
Ooh.
Make your own puppet. So when after you write your play in here, you get to make your own puppet with this one. You make your own arrowhead necklace. Design your own beaver dam with clay. Look at all these great colored clay to make that with.
How will you learn about puberty?
You can learn about monarch migration.
How large is puberty? How large
Made
is
a kindness rock before. Think of your own. Those are pretty fun. You can bring them, hand them out, or just leave them in different parts of the community and share them with your friends, or share them with anyone who needs a little help in your life. So I have one each of these for you, and I should say the other one doesn't have exactly the same stuff. In fact, I think they're both a little different. So maybe you can, when you get yours, you can look through them and see which ones you'd like to do, and maybe you want to share with your sibling. How does that sound?
Yeah, sounds awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I don't have a whole lot else. I know, Tom, did you want to mention anything else? Anything going on at the museum in February?
Yeah, so the program that these guys did at the start of the month is just kind of part of a 4-part program. So we're doing space exploration this month. So there are 4 programs that we have, and I think you guys did a couple of them. So we also sent you some Junior Ranger Night Explorer patches and a couple activity books from the National Park Service. So it's kind of part of a bigger thing. And if anybody who's interested goes to that website that you flashed up there, greatlakeskids.org. The program that we're doing is called First Step Science, and we archive all that stuff and we put it up on YouTube. So if you want to give it a shot, if you want to kind of see where day and night comes from, even like I'm sure these guys already know a little bit about how day and night happens, but it's kind of fun to do those experiments and learn a little bit more about it. So there's all kinds of cool stuff there, and I just want to thank you guys for doing this program with us. I enjoyed seeing you and working with you on it.
Super. Thank you, Tom. And as a reminder, our next month's activity is Challenge Island, Northwest Michigan. So this coming Saturday, February 6th, we have a live program with Challenge Island, but you don't have to be there for the live program. You can watch the recording. And then on February 27th, we're going to have a virtual showcase, much like we did today. You can show off what you did and what you learned. So I'm happy for it too, Joseph. It's going to be and then in March and April, we're going to do our virtual Maker Fest. Since we can't do Maker Fest in person like we've done in years past, we're going to invite a lot of organizations that have participated in years past and let them do a virtual program for us. So we'll be doing that every week in March and April. I hope you all can join us for that. Okay, well, I'm going to get these STEAM prize packs ready for Maya and Nico and send them out to our curbside service so you guys can pick those up whenever you are available. And I'd like to thank you both for attending. And Joseph, thank you for all that you've done today to add color to our program. It's been great. So any parting words from the Zivkovich family?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you for participating. Thank you for taking the time to attend. Have a great, is it Monday? Yes, it's Monday. Have a great Monday.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon.
Bye. Thank